What's up everyone, this is Panda. Welcome to the channel, please do subscribe and like. And today we're going to do another POV video. We're going to be shooting with the Tamron SP 90mm micro lens on the A-mount system on the A77 Mark II. The Sony A-mount system autofocus works for certain lenses, morally ideal for Sony, but the Tamron lens does work, but I realize in aperture priority it works better than others. I shoot manual, so take this video with a grain of salt. Now, I am shooting this on my older iPhone. The lens that I have adapted, which is a third-party lens, it's a little soft on the edges, so I do apologize. I was not expecting that to happen. So, I'm going to just tell you guys right now, I'm really apologize for the quality of the video. And not only that, the shaky hardware issue with the Apple is having with all the iPhones now, it's software related. So I had this on the iPhone 6s. I never had the problem with stabilization on that camera, and now I do. So everyone, I do apologize. But with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully you enjoy some of the photos I have taken in this neighborhood. So
sorry.
what's up everyone, this is Panda. We are in Portland. We're doing another POV, this time with the Tamron SP 90mm micro for the A mount. They have this for the Canon FE mount and for Pentax. So we're going to shoot with this street photography with the micro lens today. So I have a 198-degree fisheye on this iPhone 6s. I'm shooting in 4K, 24 frames a second. Hopefully it's decent. Alright, let's start shooting. Let's get some test shots. So please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support this channel financially due to these times, there's a PayPal donation link in the descriptions or Amazon affiliate links. Alright, let's take a shot of this guy. Oops, I have it on. Got that shot. Alright. So the Tamron SP90 is one of my favorite lenses for micro photography. It does not have stabilization on it, but this is for the A mount. But other mounts do have stabilization for like Canon FE mount. So keep that in mind. Oh, look at that. If I can get a shot of that. Got it. All right. Again, I do apologize that the camera's LCD screen is not working. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm shooting. I like the micro lens on crop sensors. It just gives me the flexibility to get a little bit more focal length and more reach when I need to. And then sometimes it's not a good thing because sometimes that reach is too much. So we're in the Perth District. We're gonna walk around, try to walk around for 20 minutes. Give you guys a longer POV video as much as I can. Keep in mind, I am shooting in 4K, 24 frames a second. Let's get a shot of this. I'm gonna shoot this. Oh, see? Like I was saying, too much. Too much reach. Oh, here we go. This guy's a little lonely. Got that shot of the rose. Alright, let me play back some of these. Oh, these look amazing. Excellent. Excellent. I am shooting at straight 2.8. I'm not going to change my my aperture for this one. See, with this reach, I should be able to get these two guys. And then maybe I can crop this. Who knows? Let's walk down here. So the Tamron has some really nice bokeh. The contrast rendition on this lens is pretty good. Even though I'm using a translucent mirror body, it does tend to take one stop of light away, which is unfortunate. So I have to overcompensate sometimes. People in the park. The doggies. People are in the park. Oh, look at this car. Holy crap. Pretty good condition. It's gonna see with the Tamron, I can't get the shot that I want with this car, but it looks so sick. But too tight. This is why I said on a crop sensor, the focal length, sometimes the reach is it's too much. But that's a nice car. Let's try to get a shot of that from the side. Let's see. Oh, got it. Nice. Ooh. It's a really warm day today. So fair warning everyone, we are about to hit 21st. You're gonna see a lot of people out here without masks, so please keep the comments and your opinions about people not respecting the COVID-19 regulations to a minimum. I hear you guys, so fair warning, I do have my mask on too. Nice. Got the shot of them at the bus stop. Ooh, look at this. Get a shot of these guys. What do you think? Ooh. Got it. Oh, beautiful. Please just subscribe, like, and share, guys. I really appreciate you guys' support. All right, we're on 21st, and let's try to put the micro to the test. Oh. Let's just walk up a little bit. Oh, I forgot my ID badge. Crap. I forgot my ID badge, guys. So, I might get stopped once or twice by... Guys, always bring your ID badges out. If you're a professional photographer, you got a press pass ID, bring it out. I totally forgot to bring it. I want to get a shot. Wait till these cars pass by. Alright, we can get the shot right now. Got it. Easy peasy. Good to see businesses back open, though, that's for sure. Hey, look at that, businesses is back open, that's good. Guys, look at that cloud cover, man. Woo. Let's see if I get a shot of this, too. think I got it. Not a very much interesting composition, but wow, it's sweating. Wow. Let's see if I got that shot. Oh, almost. It's a little blurry, but I'm gonna use it anyway, so I can show you that I was just walking and took the shot. So the Tamron, let me explain what I discovered with the Tamron. All the videos that I had made about the Tamron, I spoke very highly, but also had some low points about it. But I discovered in aperture priority mode, it actually works as fast as the FE 90mm when it's focusing. Now, you guys know I always shoot manually, but with this Tamron, after doing some testing last night before this video, I noticed that aperture priority, it snaps in when the focus meter is at 0.5 meters in infinity. And you can see I also have it at aperture priority on the camera, so it's working very efficiently. I'm gonna get a shot. I love these trees. I'll try to get a shot really quick. Got it. I like the lines, so what we do is doing symmetric with the cars and the lines. You see how the cars are kind of going for one direction. I'm in the bike lane, so I'm cool. So don't worry about it, guys. I'm in the bike lane. So let's try to get another walk down a little bit more. So not bad. After figuring out these quirks of with this lens on the A mount, because the A mount system has not been updated, especially for this camera, in the last 6 years. Has not been updated since 2014 of December. I remember because that's the last time I installed the firmware update. But with that said, like I said, Sony really tried to. You should have really took care of the A mount community better. You should have. That's just my only beef with you, Sony. Let's take some pictures of some real micro. All right. Let's try to get a shot of this guy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, see, tricky. Got it. I think I got it. Yes, and no, maybe. Sorta. Yeah. I don't do micro photography with autofocus on, so I always manual focus, just to give you guys a heads up. So if you guys are thinking about putting that in aperture priority and doing micro photography, don't think about it. That's just me trying to test out the micro system, but it does work from a certain distance though. So at close up, it struggles, but if you're far away from your subject, it will work. Let me just give you guys a good example. Let's take a picture of some beautiful flowers, but let's get some sunlight. Okay, where are some natural, okay, I guess this can do. All right, so I'm about maybe like 3 feet away. Look, now I want you to look at this one right here particularly. See, it works fine from a distance, but close up, it struggles. Look at this guy, look at this bee. Let's try to capture him. Where do you go? Oh, look at this. We got a ladybug there. Oh, see, it's struggling. Back up a little bit. There you go. Really struggling there. Oh, I got both shots. Nice. That looks beautiful. Holy crap. Struggles when you get close to a tiny subject, especially when I'm aiming out. The lens is fine. There's nothing wrong with the lens. All right. I'm walking normally, so if you see some judder, please bear in mind. This is a POV video. This is what we do. We go out and shoot. I kind of like those red doors. But, like I said, this is now a 135 equivalent on a crop. Oh, those red doors look nice if I got a shot of the building, but not with this micro. I have to be far away from the subject. Gotcha. Bike away. Bike away. This is what we do as photographers. Please give some encouragement to your fellow photographers and let them know that, listen, pro or no pro at all, go out there, just have some fun. Oh, look at this. I know the sun is bright and I don't have an ND filter, but look at that. Take the pictures of the chain. All right. So, culture sensor, just take a picture of these doors. Sideways, up, wait. Oh, I'm too close, see? The SP90, you gotta back up. You gotta back up when you're on a crop sensor sometimes. All right, guys, it's Sunday. It's supposed to be my day off, but I figured I'd do a video for you guys and upload this maybe by Monday. Just got a few photos to add and put them in the video. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching. I know this is not as long as others, but I figured I'd give you some concept of how to just go out and shoot every day. Just look for stuff. You get your shot. See, I love this street because the light is coming in for portraits. And this street here is a dead end. So you can take portraits, you can hang out here, etc., etc. But yeah. Other than that, yeah, it's a nice place to take portraits. The park too. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you love the content, please support the channel. It really does help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.